because I can't forget.
Ladies and gentlemen, your United States Navy Flight Demonstration Squadron represents a time-honored tradition of pride, professionalism, and excellence. Spanning 100 years of naval aviation, the 2011 team takes a great deal of pride in saluting Navy and Marine Corps pilots, maintenance crews, and support personnel everywhere. From the right, the Blue Angels 2011. Placed upon naval aviators is that they be able to land their aircraft on a ship at sea, whether it be a tactical jet, a propeller-driven aircraft,